Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a wolf face. This one's going to be from a front view, basically. The other ones were from the side and, slightly to the left, but this is going to be a completely front view of a wolf face. This is going to be very simple and very easy. I'm going to make a playlist for wolves because people have asked, so like I said, that's pretty much it. Alright, so if you're a beginner, I'm going to walk you through this step by step. Stay to the very end of the drawing lesson. I am going to kind of wrap it up at the very end with something I do to every drawing, or most drawings, and you'll see what that is. And that's it. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do right here is I'm going to draw a flat line for the top of the wolf's head. Go over here on the right side. Pull up for one ear. Going to go over here on the other side. Pull up on this other ear. Down over here. Down over here. It's kind of the head rolling into the rest of the face. I'm gonna go from the tip of the ear over here. I actually literally fell right now. It's funny. Like I had my elbow on the chair here and it slipped. That's funny. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you like learning how to draw in these 10-minute formats. I go over everything you can think about. I go over dinosaurs, Godzilla. I go over Fortnite, Pokemon, anything, Among Us, obviously, Spider-Man, anything you ask, I do, and it's all in 10-minute formats. So, like I said, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification for when I post. You'll see a preview of what I'm doing that day, and it's I post 3 times daily right now, at least for the weekdays. Go over here this side, curve down. Got that pointed ears. Over here on this side. Pull down. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Right here. It's gonna be, is this kind of peak on the outside of the, the fuzz. Okay, now let's go into the eyes here. The eyes are going to be at an angle, like that. And the other one's going to be at an angle over here. Curve underneath for this eye, curve underneath for that eye. They have an angled eyes, so their eyes, their access to their eyes are, by access I mean they're not like this. You know, see, like if you were to put one tip to the other, it's not like this, it's more like this. It angles like this, the eyes. Circle here for the eyes themselves. Maybe like a dot in the center right there for the pupil and iris. Let's go down here to the bottom of the snout. Down. Curve. Up. Basically, it looks like a U, right? Like the letter U. Gonna point out those edges there. Line over here underneath, like out, kind of symbolizing the bottom of the mouth here. Line downward for the, we're gonna draw under the nose. But let's draw the actual nose here. It's going to be another curved line inside there, right? It's another U shape inside that U shape. Up over here, curve around the corner, up over here. Circle, circle for the nostrils. Looks like a little Batman right there, but I'm going to fill in this shape right here. Fill in the nose, leaving the nostrils mostly open. Okay. Let me sharpen these lines out. They're a little messy right there for me. Okay. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull out over here. So there's a pattern they have on their face, like a mask pattern. Out over here, some of them. Down, out, down, out, down. Down over here, out, down, down. Curve underneath. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull this shape on the outside right here downward, up. So I should have finished that shape in the beginning. So it's got this cool like triangular shape. Underneath here, you can pull like, you know, like the lower part of the mouth, their tongue. There's some fur shape here in the face. A little more cheekbone usually, but not always. It kind of depends. And pulling a line out here and right here for the bags under the eyes to kind of connect it a little bit to the snout shape. You don't have to connect it fully, but it just kind of helps that look from the front there. You can throw maybe even like an upper, not an upper eyelid or anything like that, but you can kind of throw other stuff right here, because a lot of everything else here is going to be just fuzz, because it's so like fluffy in the face. So right here is a zigzag in the ear. For the inner ear is zigzag because there's so much fuzz going on in there. Over here on the far side, pulling down for the difference in that color. That's mostly it. Now we're just going to be adjusting little shapes here to tie it together. Maybe like a line in here, line in here. To kind of, because what you're doing is you're looking for like more connection. Now we have this stuff. Maybe a thin line here for the top of the snout, the top part of the snout. There we go. And that's mostly it. That's the wolf face from the front, like directly front view. You can fill this in if you like too, the nostrils, but I kind of like them a lot more than I don't. So maybe throw another bag here under the eye. And that's it. Alright, thank you so much. Share the video if you enjoy it. I'm going to be drawing a bunch of wolf videos on and off, but it's going to be in the playlist. Go check out the playlist section. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. And if you have any questions, let me know. If you want to support the channel, the best thing you can do is support the channel. Share the video with a friend that you think might enjoy it, this drawing, or share the video on Twitter or Reddit or anything like that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I will talk to you in the next video. See you soon. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website. But go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare, and that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's going to give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the, people that are very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.